Remember, we not follow back, we are lead out for we just in our business. You know a thing already. Not done, not boss. You mad follow which pussy.
A few moments later.
You remove your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
No, Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, you know, I think say people. Yo, Jado, look at this. Yo, me say Masicka plug them a ball like water. Me I tell you, say Gaza beat them out left, right. Till all them artists are all forward out. The man a cry like baby. This a man a make long posts. A vent. Alkaline drop song. See, no emotions. The man them in them feelings. The man them a ball. Eh? Alkaline just a cruise and the man them start ball already. But people, look for the post where the man post up. The man say bad mind is a disease. How you can hate a man for his dominance. The plan was for Vice Cartel to run dancehall until forever, but Masicka has killed that dream. Pumbo clad, brother. Dog. Unna militant, you know. Unna fought on a ball, so how I go on? Unna can't take the pressure. The man say, yo, for a while now, and keep solidifying his column and what? And him stature. I think the man says status or statue. In the game, Masicka does not only have the best songs in dancehall currently. White people, hear this song where I call out, you know. The only song me see in this are the whites. Hear where man say, come and tell them already, you know. Masicka sang them, it now no longevity. That's why you see him keep on if you do song, this song. And him go on like say every song when him drop a hit. But look here now. Him say whites are hits. Right? We can say that. Him say mute. Him say rich sex. Him say death row. This ain't I clash, you know. Death row. And him say autocrat. And him say system. That are the song where them a show. Where him say it's same system where give him a strength in a dancehall. The guys now him a say that same system they are fighting. Victim ma play. But after that now, but he also remain the topic controversially. Right? Remember, you know, a Masicka always a go up on live, you know. Every time him go up on live, run off him mouth. I think him drop a recent one, but me soon play it. See? He doesn't need to, these are the part people, he doesn't need to put in any contact lens or promote any body wash or didn't have to pay any selector. Be it any artist or take away their studio equipment. So look at now. Alkaline and the contact lens, some of them. Seeing? And the same little thing we're going with the cartel thing and Ray. All news. Seeing? So this a man a ball. When name? The ultimate Tucson. Or Tunisha or something. It look like I saw his name. Because this a man a write too much it takes. A ball. Gaza beat him wicked. Cause look at now. Alkaline him a forward for now. Cause look at Gaza beat him a run ya now. You understand? So after that now. Cause remember now. Wait, let me play all the video people. Cause the man bro. From the get-go, Masicka look controversial moves, bro. For try boss. From when he call out Alkaline, say no rate Alkaline. From I do on your days, him found out and I do be an interview. Want get, you know, him want boss, when him couldn't boss him way there. You understand? But me I go play the video and make you see what I want, people. You understand? I go play the video, you know?
All the road you know, king, sorry road, you know, one goat. Remember that blood clot. Remember we not follow back, we are lead out for we just in our business. You know a thing already. Not done, no boss, you mad for the which pussy. One! They even on yourself, you, I want to some batty boy. Not done, no boss, you mad for the which pussy.
No boss.
One! You mad? I want to some broke artist.
Broke artist.
I know man strength.
Wait there, who him attack? I must family him attack there, so. Must family.
Remember rich in the US, you know, pussy.
Hear that?
One! No look water down artist. Remember that.
So people, who love controversy? Who love controversy now? Tell me now, people. Who always like up on live and I push and I say one bag of chattings if them now want controversy, eh? Tell me, you know, people. Cause from me, no Masicka, them money I go live till all when them not even wash face, brush teeth. This a man love Instagram live so much. I my only artist in a dancer when me see go live all the while. I throw words and one bag of thing. Eh? Tell me people.
Antigua, we're there, we're active tomorrow. Remember now, young and rich man, in a US man. Remember good no. Body no ever clean, what you say?
We outside now.
Alright.
One side now.
Alright, remember that. Some boy wash up, time up, brain tired, you know? One side to the land side. Wash up, brain tired.
Yeah man people, you don't know that a controversial boss, you know? Masicka. AKA She Goat. Yeah man, so we're gonna see what vlogger say in this now. So basically he must say yo the topic controversial. He say he didn't basically have to put in eyeball and beat up no DJ. So him say Masicka use hearing the people. Want to know, listen. Him say Masicka use music only to reach the pinnacle. People, wanna believe all of that? Masicka use music. Then I wish video we just play a while ago. I wish when him link up with Cartel, see him? And the Gaza genocide thing. Where my use fi try this say yo gully vendetta thing. I want that. No artist strength him I use. No him bring up this no him bring up this Gaza genocide thing. So how now one side? Him boy a snake. I tell you. Then him say yo. Then him say yo, Masicka use music only to reach the pinnacle. The pinnacle which has never been done before. Rotted. The man say nobody no use music. A controversy. Then how we artists them use to reach out. You think it Yo dog, I tell you brother, Masicka do the same dog. The man go live all the time and chat off him mouth. So we don't know what you talk about. You understand? The man say, yo, Masicka need to ignore the noise of the market. Get back in zone. You need to tell your artist that. Cause he look like him pressure run up and him can't go perform on one show. I think maybe tonight he might perform on one show in the people. You understand? And then him say, and keep dropping songs. These other artists have nowhere going and has peaked and their brain are buck. Dominate the space with music. Let that do the talking. Continue putting the work. I don't know, you look like him a country artist, you know. There's a lot of mind game in this business. Artists who have peak is just seeking relevance from you. Rotted. People, who are seek relevance? Who are seek relevance from Masicka? Eh? A man will love go live? Eh? Who are seek relevance? Then him say because they know you are in the lead. I say Masicka in the lead. Alright. Let's see for 2026. Remember guys are not going with him in 2026, you know. So look at now. Then him say, yo, ignore them and beat them at music. Go and talk. I mean, no, Masicka drop on EP December again. Me know you not talk about it. Drop music, press gas and leave them in the dust. He might leave himself in the dust. The noise and them constantly in the convo because your name, despite not finding any song, is what they want. Brother, the song them Masicka find, bro. It not really do nothing for him career, brother, in a impactful way, dog. It's like we don't realize what I want. Masicka still a trend in Jamaica. A Jamaica Masicka thing there, bro. Him need to start passing a man money airport now. Arena keep all over the world, people do arena and pull them crowd. Masicka not pull nothing for himself. He not pull nothing. You understand? So when we say you're nothing go on film, he just there pan a little Jamaica thing right now. Then him say, here right now, here what am I gonna say about Alkaline now, people. Here right now. See him? Cause look at the boy my ball for clash now. And he say, an Alkaline versus Masicka clash, it is needed for this era. Oh my god. Yo, the man them want Alkaline to revive them career. Wait there. When Beanie Man said that pass and Masicka say, you hear the king talk. Uno say he clash pass. So wait there. Tammy Lee couldn't help you know. Whereas after Tammy Lee mash up him and them career man him want Alka for revive back. So the man say Alkaline versus Masicka clash is needed for this era. Right? They tell you, you know. Them rate Alkaline, you know. Them look up to Alkaline. So look you now. Then him say Alkaline need to step up in game. Or call name. John know that. Man him well one clash to bring up revive them career dog. John know you. Then the man him say you need this more than what? What you mean? You need this more than us. What? This somebody else. So yeah, tell me say Alkaline need a clash more than Masicka? When Alkaline are the bigger art, we a bigger artist, brother. Eh? And Masicka need clash, brother. You're sick in your head. You know see who got their Barclays March the 21st. You look like you're sick in your head, youth. You know see a Barclays 20. Where you there? Eh? Then him say right now, but here where am I gonna see after that, you know? After him say you need, so basically him say Alkaline need clash right now. But here where am I gonna see after that? We both need this really impact the era like we should. John, what so you see what I want now, people? Them want Alkaline and them for clash. Because them want take out the Gaza thing. And that them want do now, you know. You understand? Because them know nothing now go on. But me tell you now already, bro. Me tell you now already. You see this hyping up, bro. You see when Masicka forward and talk about who have the hits them? Look what got me in 2026. Remember Gaza now with you no more. You know no strength. So every song wanna drop. No strength now go there. You understand? Them are go put that. Yo, just watch it. Just look for the ear, people. You go see what go on. You are go see what go on. I tell you now already, you know, bro. You see this hyping up Masicka career, dog? Is a facade, bro. Is a facade. You understand? Because the bagger yip you up and him depend on the media. It nah really do nothing, brother. It nah do nothing for him. Nothing it nah do for him, bro. He might do him little show them. But no impact nah do. The song them way right now, let me tell you what Masicka forgot do. For sure you check Masicka headline them, be a Jamaica. You can't see no US, you can't see no UK. Right? You know, right now in a Masicka career right now, you know what I forgot do? He must forgot drop song for life. Masicka in a game for about much year now, 11 year now. In boss for what? 2015. 11 year in a game. Right? And him just a bit of talk about. But tell me what? Remember I'm signed to a label, you know. Drop EP, no go on. Everything at Jamaica. Number one chart, Jamaica. Album a stream, Jamaica. Bro, Masicka need to get him papers to go through the airport. You understand? And no Masicka can't get him visa to go through the airport. We need to see some international. See, Alkaline just drop. No emotions. Global reggae chart, iTunes, number 1. And it video. We nah see Masicka song them like that, bro. The song wanna say it's not doing it. This man signed to a label. It look like Def Jam there Jamaica. I tell you now already, bro. The more you keep on hype up Masicka, I more him stay down a country. Let me tell you now again. The more you hype up Masicka career, I more him stay down a country. Him not even reach town. I tell you now already, 11 years now we not do this, you know. Cartel give him a little strength, him forward up. Then when him signed to the label, them start promoting him in a Jamaica alone. You understand? Because look here, you know. You don't see the bag of performance, but you don't see the performance and we're really overseas like that. You understand? The two biggest thing them we see him get out there are when Cartel call him up. I tell you. So right now, all of the Gaza left him right now. Him get knocked. The Gaza left him. Right now. Him not no strength. That's what him know, you know. That's why you see my people. Let me tell you this. You see for that area, look for Masicka and do be Instagram live. Me I tell you people, look for him to be Instagram live and a show shades. Me I tell you, him can't sleep good. Him soul can't rest. Cause look here now. He must sit down in him head and he must say, yo, Jano, look how we there, Gaza give me strength. And me think say, Ray, this, that. And him man, remember, you know, him come out of war, you know. Seeing and him know him lose. So it a bun him. That's why you see him there on the live at about. Yo, some boy broke. And rare, family him attack, you know. And he must say him the goat and the this and the that. But brother, that nah care go now, brother. You just make things worse for yourself. You just make things worse for yourself, bro. Me I tell you. But people, at time for we see Masicka do some impact. We are talking about some global impact. At time now. Masicka forward from the generation thing change like round. You see when Alkaline bus 2013 they so that's a new era forward. Be a young artist. About 42 to 43 artists bus. And only one alone can pull crowd for full out the arena and an Alkaline. One alone. From 2013 to 2026, and one artist alone. One. You understand? We bust from 2013 come right up. 2026 can full out the arena. And an Alkaline. You understand? Me tell you already, bro. This bagger, yo, I be it's. Brother, it a yard and it a foreign are two different things. Me I tell you that, 'cause look here, there's a lot of shows when me see Masicka do. Abroad, it look away. You have to wonder, people them a look around and away ma sing. People them don't know a song, bro. Masicka say him done with the Caribbean. Him run out the Caribbean, done out the Caribbean. And when him go, here I know, when him go summer jam, go perform, you know him a do? Him a ball. All of me Caribbean people them. You shouldn't have ball for no Caribbean people, brother. You say you done Caribbean. You run through Caribbean. You're supposed to call some white people name. All of the white people them, you shouldn't do that. You should not call for no Caribbean, brother. You understand? Because you know what with you? Masicka not no patient. And that with him. Him not no patient people. You understand? Him just feel like so you him can just jump the gun. This, that. Cause let me show you why Masicka not. I tell you why Masicka not no patient. Masicka is the only dancehall artist who label so much name upon him name. See? He name genocide. Right? Then he name change to cause a genocide. Then he name to one side. Then he name a king. Him a goat. Him a crux. What else left? How can a man change so much name? How I go on? Bro, me tell you now already. The more no hype up Masicka career, and more him career left a country. Me tell you now already, dog, over the years. The song them wanna say yo it back then and Ray. We not hear them play again. The man sang now no longevity, bro. For sure yo. Masicka should have pull some crowd the Alkaline pull. Him not doing that. Them a fall from the same era. Them both like 2 years apart. You understand? And it show you, bro. Masicka is not. You know why Masicka not build that career and that strong column? Because this is the thing, you know. At the real it sang them, build your column, you know. And it shows you Masicka not build a column there yet when you can pull certain crowd. Because you know why? Masicka career, seeing, has been pampered with the industry. Most of them big song them are collaboration. Right? Him not have no solo song with that impactful for carry him thing, brother. You understand? For carry him leg. Him not have that. That's why you see now, when the crowd pull in attack and fan base, film fan them are Gaza people them. And some little crooks are walla in the baby crooks are swimming at the swamp till it dry up. You understand? But him not have that fan thing there right now. And him even make things worse for himself. You understand? You can't bite the hands of feed, bro. Yeah. So, people, make them go and talk. We're going to see 2026, you know. Why, nah, go look good. But people, when you don't know now, one media facts, you know, big up on yourself when you know what things said. That is it.